However, heads up for you, we do have some weekend closures. You need to know about these. Eastbound I-94, that's going to close between Highway 280 and 35E. This is for that continued work that goes on the John Ireland Boulevard Bridge. So to get around it, go northbound on 280, take that to 36. That'll take you to 35E. That work expected to reopen, expected to be finished by Monday morning.
Also, a ramp closure we need to share with you about this weekend. This one starts a little early, just a few hours, 10 a.m. So this is the 10th Street ramp to get off 94 eastbound into downtown St. Paul. It's going to be closed. So instead, you just need to get off an exit or two earlier and get off at 5th Street. This is also for work on the John Ireland Bridge. That'll reopen for your Monday morning commute. Now, we want to head to the very latest from the live desk with Maria Lisignoli, because we just talked, Maria, about the weekend closures, but we have several long-term summer closures that are going to impact your next drive.
Oh, yes. We warned you these big projects were coming, and now construction season is ramping up. First is a big project with big impacts this summer. The closure of 280 between Interstate 94 in St. Paul and I-35W in Roseville. This is a phased closure, but it starts Monday at 5 a.m. The northbound lanes will be closed and stay closed through late August. Southbound will also close later this month. During this project, traffic will be directed to a regional detour using I-35W or I-94, Highway 36, and I-35E. MnDOT does expect things to reopen before the state fair. Good news there. But they say after the fair, we will see more lane and ramp closures. This project is to make safety improvements plus road and bridge repairs. Another project starting Monday, the replacement of I-35E bridge on Shepherd Road in St. Paul. Starting at 7 a.m., parts of Shepherd Road will be closed in both directions. This will continue through the fall. Instead, you'll need to take a detour to Lexington Parkway, West 7th Street, and Otto Avenue. These are just a couple big projects that we're tracking in the coming weeks and months. You can see a full list of all the MnDOT projects impacting the metro right now on WCCO.com.
Yeah, make sure you are ready, because those are big traffic impacts to a lot of people. Maria, we appreciate the update.